Hello. Yo, breaking news! Breaking news. Donald Trump got shot in.
Hey, put some in my neck.
Oh yeah!
Yo, make sure it's white, dude.
Oh, Mark is stretching. He's getting ready.
Oh, look at it. Put it on Mark.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Alright, Mark. Thoughts?
Thoughts?
We get back
This is gonna be the adventure of a lifetime. We're all gonna die.
Nice. Thoughts? Okay, what do I do now?
What?
You guys gotta chill.
Are you good, Mark?
Everywhere. Oh, there's a bee.
I'll give it to Rizal.
Does he not look like the dude with the tricycle?
No, I'm the jeepney one.
Damn.
Ito ka, keeper. Take the money. Take the money.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bug spray?
Oh my god, you look
Right here. Should I bring my back?
Hell
I want to see Mark in a bikini.
What the vlog? What the vlog? Pump and left fly. Come on, I'm cool.
3, 4.
I can't even see myself.
What do you do?
Nice.
I'm an accounts payable receivable, also a student in business.
Yo, can you spray me some more too?
Oh god, knee and my ankles. Oh my god, bro.
Yo, can you spray me?
Give me some in the marble. Give me too.
Like fire if it's like deep enough?
goes hot.
Technically, you can drink.
Yo, Kim's gonna get so tired.
Oh, we can drink it if we boil it though.
Damn. Vlogception right here.
I made my own trail mix. I don't know if it's
We haven't even started the hike yet.
I would like some.
Mark, thoughts? Thoughts
Thoughts? Thoughts on what?
on everything.
No AirPods.
With the vlog.
The music is the nature.
You want to say anything in the blog?
Bazooka!
What is wrong?
Yeah.
You're such a dad.
No.
Me. I can tell the time.
I can tell the time.
Just from looking at the sun.
Measured of the sun and the time of the year. It's around 12 o'clock and 53 seconds.
Skibbity toilet.
If we die, at least it's gonna be on camera, right, Yuri?
Yo, first one to run out of storage is gay, dude.
I bet. I'm not losing.
I would rather do this than
What is
get dark.
going
I'm so
on?
sorry. I have to admit to you. I don't want to get dark.
Really?
Can you make my voice lines?
Bazinga!
Did you guys get it? How is it, Mark?
We got it, boy.
We got it.
We secured the bag.
Oh my god.
Yo, after this, I'm dipping in the beach.
Hello. Snail update. I mean, trail update.
Damn, who farted?
Dude, that was my feet, bruh. Yo, chill.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I don't want this shit anymore.
You want me to say something? Yeah. Bazooka!
I am light fucking headed.
On what? The trail?
Fucking easy. The fuck are you guys making?
Sandcastle.
What do you think?
Wait, I feel like those Indian music. You gotta make it a certain
Jester. Hey Jen, what do you think of your sandcastle? Jen. It's so cold. Ray, what do you think of your sandcastle? Blowing outward. What the hell? What the vlog? Iron Man, how do you feel about your sandcastle? Mark, how do you feel about your good sandcastle? Pretty good. Whoa!
The final boss is
Ocean man.